Start your circle with a chain 4 and then join them to make a loop. Chain 3 will count as your first double crochet, and then you're going to do another double crochet, 11 double crochet into the loop, so that you have 12 double crochet total. And let's see, we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to join that in the top chain of the chain 3. Okay, there's your first round. Second round, you're going to chain 3 is the first double crochet, and double crochet in that same chain right there, and then all the way around you're going to put 2 double crochet in each stitch. Now that you have the 24 stitches, 24 double crochet all the way around, you're going to join in the third chain of that chain 3, and then that's it for the gold. Cut it, your yarn, leaving a long enough length to weave in. Now you're going to join the yellow for the petals. So join your yellow in any double crochet, and you're going to chain 3, skip the next double crochet, slip stitch in the next one, chain 3, skip, slip stitch, chain 3, repeating that pattern all the way around. Now you've got your skip, slip stitch, chain 3 all the way around, your last chain 3, and you're going to slip stitch in the same one where you started. Now in these little chain 3s, in these loops, is where you're going to make your petals. So you 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then a picot for the tip will be chain 2, slip stitch in the second chain. Now you're going to do 3 more double crochet, and then there you have your petal. You slip stitch in the last slip stitch from the last row, and you just repeat the petal. 3 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, 3 double crochet, and slip stitch in the previous round, slip stitch, and repeat that all the way around, so you'll have 12 petals. Now you have all 12 petals, and you slip stitch in the last slip stitch, and you're going to cut the yarn, leaving enough again to weave in the ends, and you're finished with the yellow for the petals. Now for the next step, you have skip stitches here from the previous 2 rounds, so you're going to work in those, but you're going to work behind the petals. So insert your hook and add the green or whatever background color you're going to use, and then chain 3 is your first double crochet, make 2 more double crochet. Now you're going to go over to the next skip stitch right here, and you're going to do 3 double crochet. If you're familiar with granny squares, you'll feel very comfortable here. Now you're going to go to the next skip stitch, and you're going to do your granny square corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, and another 3 double crochet. So that is round 5. Going to 33 and a corner. 3 double crochet. Got a little bit of a knot there. There's 3. 3 double crochet. And then your corner, which is 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. And you repeat that until you've completed the round. Now you've completed round 5. You're going to go to round 6. First you're going to slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the chain 3. Chain 3 to be your first double crochet. And then I'm just going to double crochet in each double crochet to the end of this side, because now you have sides, not rounds. You have used round 5 to turn a circle of a sunflower into a square, a granny square. Now, you got to the chain 2 space in the corner. So you're going to 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 more double crochet. Then you proceed to do the next side, double crochet in each double crochet all the way until you get to the corner. Keep double crochet, double crochet. Okay. And now you're at the next corner. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and that will turn your corner. And you just keep on in that manner. This is round 6. You repeat it for round 7. You join it with a slip stitch, and then you have this amazing sunflower granny square. This is the original one that I made in solidarity with Ukraine a few years ago, and I'll post a link to my blog where that's a free pattern. And then this one I did a few weeks ago. It's a scarf that I call Sunflowers in the Snow. Isn't that pretty with the yellow and white? And then this one is one of the pieces for a scrap blanket that I'm working on. It'll be all different colors of sunflowers with a green background.